Welcome to K-Shift Zone, the place where we explore the latest cars, real-world updates, and future-ready vehicles shaping the roads of tomorrow. At K-Shift Zone, we focus on honest details, smart insights, and practical perspectives for everyday drivers and car enthusiasts alike. Today, we are taking a close look at a compact car that has always been known for simplicity and affordability, now reimagined for a new era as the 2026 Chevrolet Matiz. The 2026 Chevrolet Matiz represents a modern evolution of a name that has long been associated with urban mobility. Designed for crowded cities and cost-conscious buyers, this latest version keeps the Matiz spirit alive while introducing contemporary styling, improved efficiency, and smarter technology. Chevrolet has clearly aimed to make the Matiz relevant again by blending compact dimensions with updated features that meet modern expectations without pushing the car into an expensive category. From the outside, the 2026 Matiz looks more confident and refined compared to earlier generations. The compact body remains ideal for city use, but sharper lines and smoother curves give it a fresher personality. The front fascia feels more expressive, with redesigned headlights that offer better illumination and a cleaner visual signature. The grille has been updated to look more modern while still maintaining a friendly and approachable appearance. Overall, the design avoids unnecessary aggression and instead focuses on practicality and charm, which perfectly suits the Matiz identity. The side profile of the 2026 Chevrolet Matiz highlights its small footprint, making it easy to maneuver through tight streets and parking spaces. Subtle character lines add a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The wheel design has also been refreshed, giving the Matiz a more contemporary stance without compromising ride comfort. At the rear, the tail lights have been updated with a cleaner layout, and the overall shape remains compact and functional, emphasizing efficiency over flashiness. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Matiz offers a noticeable step forward in terms of quality and layout. Chevrolet has focused on making the interior feel more modern while keeping everything simple and intuitive. The dashboard design is clean, with better material choices that improve the overall feel without driving up costs. Controls are logically placed, making the car easy to use for first-time drivers as well as experienced owners looking for hassle-free daily transportation. The infotainment system in the new Matiz reflects the expectations of today's drivers. A central touchscreen provides access to essential functions such as media, navigation support, and smartphone connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility make it easy to stay connected on the go, even in a budget-friendly car. The interface is designed to be responsive and straightforward, avoiding unnecessary complexity while delivering useful features. Comfort has also been improved in the 2026 Chevrolet Matiz. Despite its compact size, the seating is designed to make efficient use of space, providing reasonable legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats offer better cushioning and support than older versions, making daily commutes and short trips more comfortable. While the Matiz is not meant for long highway journeys with multiple passengers, it performs well within its intended urban role. Under the hood, the 2026 Matiz focuses on efficiency and reliability. Chevrolet is expected to offer a small displacement engine optimized for city driving, delivering smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. The power output is tuned to provide enough responsiveness for urban traffic while keeping running costs low. This makes the Matiz an attractive option for drivers who prioritize savings on fuel and maintenance over high performance. The transmission options are designed with simplicity in mind. Whether paired with a manual gearbox or a small automatic option, the Matiz delivers easy drivability in stop-and-go traffic. The lightweight construction of the car further enhances efficiency, allowing the engine to perform effectively without strain. This balance of power and economy is one of the strongest advantages of the 2026 Chevrolet Matiz. Ride quality in the new Matiz is tailored for city environments. The suspension setup absorbs common road imperfections such as bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smooth experience for daily use. Steering is light and responsive, making it easy to navigate narrow streets and crowded areas. This user-friendly driving character makes the Matiz especially appealing to new drivers and those who spend most of their time in urban settings. Safety has not been overlooked in the 2026 Chevrolet Matiz. While it remains a budget-oriented car, Chevrolet has included essential safety features to enhance driver confidence. These include multiple airbags, anti-lock braking, electronic stability control, and rear parking assistance. Some variants may also offer basic driver assistance features, helping the Matiz meet modern safety standards while remaining accessible. Practicality is another strong point of the Matiz. The compact size makes it easy to park, while the trunk offers enough space for groceries, daily essentials, or small luggage. The rear seats can be folded to expand cargo capacity when needed, adding flexibility for a variety of everyday tasks. This practical approach ensures that the Matiz can adapt to different lifestyles despite its small dimensions. In terms of ownership costs, the 2026 Chevrolet Matiz continues to shine. Affordable pricing, low fuel consumption, and simple mechanical components contribute to a cost-effective ownership experience. Maintenance is expected to be straightforward, and Chevrolet's wide service network adds peace of mind for buyers who want reliability and easy access to support. The 2026 Matiz is clearly not trying to compete with larger hatchbacks or premium city cars. Instead, it focuses on what it does best, providing an efficient, easy-to-drive, and budget-friendly solution for urban mobility. It appeals to students, first-time car buyers, small families, and anyone looking for a reliable city car without unnecessary extras. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet Matiz is a thoughtful update of a familiar name, offering modern styling, improved comfort, and smart technology while staying true to its roots. It proves that a small car can still deliver value, practicality, and everyday usability in a changing automotive landscape. For drivers who want simplicity, efficiency, and affordability wrapped in a refreshed design, the new Matiz stands as a compelling choice in the compact car segment. This is the kind of